When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want.
Guys, we finally got this truck wrapped up. Take a look, it's filthy. I mean, it's not a way to present it to the customer, but we are finally ready to take care of it. But let me just go and reevaluate what we've done here. Long story short, we have a full-on custom one-off headlights. These headlights can do any color changing pattern you can want. They can go and do complete patterns, styles, designs with the turn signal, anything you would like. And if we go around to the big truck, we didn't stop there. We did custom underglow lighting. Every time you open the panels, you wanted a signature orange all the way across with a full complete underglow kit that's orange. This radio does feature Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can control all the features from your map, and we were able to integrate everything into the factory unit. We were able to keep the servo controls working with the complete dashboard kit. This kit completely allows us to retain the whole 360 bird view system, the entire parking aid system, the full amplified system, all the chimes, gongs, everything we needed was retained here. But there's something special we didn't need to retain because we added instead. Let me show you. This is the signature project we've created. We have a one-off custom enclosure under the seat that houses 4 10-inch subwoofers and a full complete plexiglass face enclosure. This will be amazing. But besides that, it is completely rhino lined with a gray interior. We have used a black acrylic with a full clear plexiglass and orange accents with a 3 different style layering of a perforated orange black leather, normal vinyl, and carpet. This is extravagant. Take a look at it. It also comes with the full complete addressable LEDs inside where I can do and change any color pattern you would like. This is a true one-off build. I'm really excited just talking about it. If you could see this in person, you'd understand the magnificent and the amount of man hours that was put into this. It's astonishing.
I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial, how you want to go back.
Why are these wheels so small? If later, if you ever need something. Lava lamp.